Alright, let's get one thing straight. Who hasn't wondered if all these people making goofy videos and snapping pictures of their lunch are secretly millionaires? I mean, is content creation really that golden ticket to financial freedom? Or is it just a glamorous Instagram myth? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of visual content creation and asking the big question. Spoiler alert! Yes, you can. But there's a catch, and we're about to break it all down. Ready? Let's get into it.
Like and subscribe.
Alright, let's get real for a second. You ever look at those Instagram influencers or YouTubers who seem to be living their best lives, sipping coconut water on a beach in Bali, and think, how are they actually making money doing this? Well, that's what we're diving into today. Does visual content really make money? And if so, how can you do it? Okay, so let's consider this together. The perception versus the reality of making money with visual content. Now, let's be honest for a minute. Most people think that visual content creators make money by doing nothing but posting a few cute pictures or funny videos, right? Like you snap a picture of your breakfast, upload it, and boom, instant billionaire. Yeah, no, I wish it was that simple. But in reality, making money as a visual content creator is a whole lot more complex. And surprisingly, it's not always glamorous. There's a lot of work behind the scenes that no one sees. But the good news is, yes, you can make money. I mean, a whole lot of money as a content creator if you have the right strategy. Okay, let me tell you a little story. My first paycheck as a content creator, I made a grand total of $50. Yeah, $50. Trust me, I was acting like I had just won the lottery. But hey, it was something, right? It showed me that money can be made, and it lit a fire in me to figure out how to grow that amount into something sustainable. So, how do visual content creators actually make money? Okay, now that we have debunked the myths of easy money, let's talk about the real ways visual content creators make money. Because it's not just about ads or sponsorship, there's a lot more to it. Number one, ad revenue. If you are on YouTube, for example, you can make money from ads. But here's the thing, to actually make decent money from ads, you need views and likes, a lot of views. Unless your video goes viral every time, don't rely solely on ad revenue. Number two, sponsorships and brand deals. This is where the real money can come in. Once you've built a decent following, brands will pay you to promote their product. But here's the kicker, you need to be authentic. Three, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great income stream. Basically, affiliate marketing lets you promote a product or services, and if someone buys through your link, you get a commission. The best part, it can be passive income. Yeah, you are making money even while you sleep. Four, selling products or services. Another big way content creators make their money is by selling their own product or services. This could be anything from merchandise, online courses, digital products, or even offering consulting services. The beauty of this is that you are creating multiple streams of income and you're not just relying on ads or sponsors. Five, crowdfunding and memberships. Now, if you've built a loyal community, crowdfunding platforms like Patreon could be a game changer for you. Your fans can support you directly with monthly memberships, and in return, you give them exclusive content. Now, the $1 million question, how much money can you really make as a visual content creator? Well, the truth is, it varies. That's to say, it depends. If you're just starting out, you might make a couple of $100 a month, while the mid-tier creators can pull in a few thousands. And the top-tier content creators are raking in six figures or more per month. But it all depends on how you diversify your income streams, the size of your audience, and how well you engage with them. And now, the importance of building an audience and brand. Here's the thing: whether you're making money from ads, sponsorships, or selling your own stuff, it all comes down to one thing: your audience. Without an engaged audience, none of this works. You can have the best content in the world, but if no one is watching, you are not making money. So, focus on creating valuable, engaging content first, and the money will follow. So now let's talk about how to get started with making money as a visual content creator. You are probably wondering, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually get started? Let's break it down. First up, choose your platform. Do you want to be on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or all of the above? Each of these platforms has its strengths. So pick the one that suits your content and audience best. Next up, create consistently. Consistency is key. You can't expect to make money if you are only posting once in a blue moon. Set a schedule and stick to it. Next, engage with your audience. Remember, your audience is your gold mine. Engage with them. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community. Once you build some momentum, start monetizing strategically. Don't rush into it. Build trust with your audience first, and the money will follow. Finally, yes, you can make money as a content creator. So, does visual content really make money? Absolutely yes, but it's not instant and it's not always easy. It takes hard work, creativity, and genuine connection with your audience. But if you stick with it, the rewards can be incredible. Content creators hustle. At the end, hold up, smiling. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content creation tips, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video. And remember, keep creating, keep hustling, and your audience will follow. Until next time, happy creating.
Like and subscribe.
Will you believe if I tell you that there are still a staggering percentage of brands that are yet to bring their businesses online? In today's digital landscape, grabbing attention is crucial for brands, businesses, and service providers. With most of us having social media pages that often go unutilized, like the pages are just there looking at us. And trust me, we are looking at you too. It is time to maximize opportunities. The key lies in creating impactful content for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and YouTube. A staggering percentage of customers are accessing content on mobile devices. Visual content has become vital for brand communication. My mission is to guide you in crafting content that resonates with your audience. I am Prince Egwong. You can call me your content guide or your content partner. I'm here to help you make a lasting impact.